Adorable A-frame cottage-style home, nestled in the trees on Central Camano Island. Huge, beautiful and loved yard with so much color and variety, with room to garden and huge shed for storage. Currently used as 2 bedrooms or can be loft-style home. Plenty of parking plus RV, boat and more. Massive laundry or mud room is appreciated for storage and anything you need it for. My favorite is the spacious covered porch. Rustic hardwood flooring throughout entire home, with latest remodel and update to home was in 2013. Close to all amenities including state park, schools, shopping, bus lines and all the fun of Camano including fishing, crabbing and clamming. Peaceful neighborhood awaits you in the next chapter.